Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I just filmed a video, so pardon if my face looks a little crazy, but today I wanted to try to film the one brush challenge. I'm expecting this to be really difficult. I saw this done by Makeup by Jack. I'm sure he wasn't the first one that did it, no offense to Jack, like just the odds are just against it. So we are going to try to film this today. I don't really know if you can clean your brushes in between, but I'm going to because, like, why not? And I'm just going to use this e.l.f. one that I found. And a wipe, basically, to try to clean these. But yeah, I'm using the Morphe Y9 brush because it's, like, fluffy but, like, dense enough that I feel like I could do most things with it. So I'm going to start with my eyes, and we're just going to jump in. Normally I would conceal first, so I'm going to use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer in the shade 02, very fair, and let's just jump in. I'm kind of trying to use like the side of the brush, that way if I can't get all the product off, it's not going to be like that big of a deal. And to set it, I'm going to use the Coty Airspun powder. I don't normally do my eyeshadow first, but for the purpose of this, because I'm gonna have to like clean the brush, and I don't feel like taking like foundation and then doing my eyes is gonna be very practical. But we'll see. Now I'm gonna take the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette and do some kind of look here. In my crease, I'm taking Fresh Picked. This isn't too crazy hard, like I can't be super precise, but it blends it really nicely. You know, like it's pretty blended. Now I'm gonna also take Peach Cobbler and a little bit of Peach Tart, I think, and try to concentrate all of it. Okay, that's interesting. Now for my outer corner, we're gonna take Just Right and Peach Sangria. It's like most of my lid, I guess, and into my crease. But it's hard, okay? To like blend it. Let me take my what's this? My color switch and try to get some of the color on. Now I'm going to take Chocolate Dipped and try to deepen it up out there a little bit. I'm looking a little crazy. But now for my inner portion, I guess I'm going to take Peaches and Cream and Peach Punch. For an all matte ombre. I mean, honestly, if I actually had like real brushes to use, not that this is a real brush, this will look pretty darn good. We're gonna do brows later. If we do brows at all. I mostly just use pencil. Like, I don't know if I have any like good dip stuff. Like my NYX one is pretty dirty up, and I only have a sample of the Anastasia one, so I don't know. But maybe let's like try to clean this off. I need some of that. Didn't really work the way I wanted it to. Now the brush is wet. Anyways, I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever HD High Definition Primer. Ooh. This might be old. I feel like that's just gonna be easier, you know? Like, it's not really cheating because I'm like still applying it with the brush, but just like getting it on my face is easier. It would also be easier if I had multiple of this brush. Whoa. Okay. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Baby Skin. I'm literally just using products that I don't normally use because I just wanted to try. With my nose to kind of like smoothen it. And normally I would put like a product like this on my forehead too. Whoa, that's way too much. Holy guacamole. Can you guys see like how much I got? Oh, it's gonna fall. I'm going to have the most clogged pores. But it's fine, I'll just do a mask. I'm just like, I need to feel it, you know? It's not good enough. Like, you can't tell how it is with just a brush. Oh, okay. Now that I am like a mess, but a very smooth mess. This is like caked now. This poor brush. I'm gonna do foundation. We're gonna take the Tarte one. I figured this would be easier because I can just dip it, you know? It's the Empowered Hybrid Gel Foundation in Porcelain. It's hard to believe this is porcelain because it's so dark. But I figured like dipping this would be much more practical than... Oh god. Like, I want a good thumbnail for this pic, so I'm gonna try to make this look like pretty decent, but I feel like padding is a much better technique, and I kind of feel like I should have gone for a more dense brush. Like, this is just leaving like a lot of streaks. This was not the ideal brush for this, but I figured it'd be good for like everything else, so like that's really bad. If I like pat it enough, except for on my nose apparently, it will like almost look decent. I don't know. Maybe if I like wipe some of it off. This looks really bad. I'm really streaky. This was not a good brush for this, but you know, now we know, I guess. Alright. For concealer, like we talked before, it's the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer. feel like I would like to do this challenge again with a different brush. But at the same time, I'm not sure it would make a difference because with all the product that is now on this brush, I don't feel like I could do anything. Ooh, I kind of fixed my nose a little bit. This is just atrocious. And the viewfinder doesn't look bad, but in person, Lord help us. And I know I'm like drenching this brush with this brush cleaner. But honestly, I'm just other than try to squeeze as much product out of it as I possibly could. So, powder now? I guess so. Taking that Cotillard spun. Because the brush is wet, it's like picking up a lot of product off my face. But it's honestly kind of smoothing out my foundation. I mean, it's definitely making it darker because, like, wet powder, duh, but, like, that really smoothed it, honestly. Like, it looks cakey as all get out. But it's not as, like, limey, you know? Looks really cakey, though. Now, to contour, I'm going to use the Sephora Los Cabos. Because it's wet, it's like not blending out very well. Like, I really like this contour normally, but this looks really muddy. For bronzer, Too Faced Sweet Tea. Holy. Patchy. Normally I could take like my powder brush and like go over it and kind of like blend it better, but I can't because this is still this brush. Now that this brush is so freaking filthy. Blush, anybody? Milani Luminoso, I figure something we can't go wrong with. I mean, it's not like super blended because it's wet. But, and there's like a really sharp line, but hey, we're trying, right? For highlighters, I'm taking, break this brush. Anyways, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighter. Really pretty on me. So I figure, hey, we can at least have a highlight, right? I mean, highlights look better when wet, don't they? Kind of. There's just like so much on this brush at this point that it's like not even picking up that much. What's left is brows, which we can't really do because I don't have any dippy kind of product. I can do mascara, but I also need to do lips. I don't know which to do first. I guess mascara. I'm gonna take this Butter London Double Decker and just kind of like just a little bit on the edge. mean, I suppose that like darkened my lashes a little. But it's definitely not doing anything for them. Like maybe if I just put some on my hand, it would be a little bit easier. You can see it a little bit, right? Now for lips, I'm trying to like take any of this off. Not working. Obviously, a liquid lip would probably be best here. What should we take? We'll try to complement this lip a little. And I'm gonna take this I'm gonna take Jeffree Star and Manny collab in I'm Shook, and just kind of like this is harder than it looks, guys. It's impossible to be precise. I feel like a clown. Literally just feel like just a clown. At least I feel like I got enough coverage on there. It's kind of clownish though. Like, I feel like the eyes aren't as bad as I thought they were gonna be, and neither is the skin. Like, the skin was really bad at first because, like, I don't know, it was just really awful. Like, the streakiness and whatnot. But, like, once I put the powder on, it's not as bad. Can you guys tell? My lips look terrible. Anyways, that being said, I think we're done here. Like, the eyes were not too crazy bad. Like, they definitely could have been blended and put more precisely. Contour, blush was pretty easy. Highlighter was pretty easy. Bronzer was pretty easy. Foundation was terrible. Mascara was just pretty much non-existent. Like, I tried, you guys. I tried. But, anyways, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, challenges, leave a comment down below, or leave a like, or subscribe, you know? Things like that, let me know. Like, hey, they watched this and they liked it, so I need to do more things like this, like challenges, okay? So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Check out my Instagram, it's at Make Up My Smile. And that's pretty much it. Thanks, guys. Bye!